Do you use more than one Samsung phone, and do you wish your Galaxy Buds could switch audio automatically without repairing every time? If you have a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and another Samsung phone like the Galaxy A23, you can use a feature called Auto Switch Bud. This lets your Galaxy Buds move audio between both phones automatically. For example, from watching YouTube on one phone to answering a call on the other. Let me show you how to set it up. First, make sure both phones use the same Samsung account because Auto Switch Bud only works when the phones are signed in with the same Samsung account. Next, make sure your Galaxy Buds is already connected to the S25 Ultra. Then, turn on Auto Switch Bud. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. Then tap Setting icon, tap Connected Devices, tap Auto Switch Bud, and then turn on for your Galaxy Buds. Now repeat the same on the A23 to enable Auto Switch Bud. On the pop-up, select Pair. To see this feature works, start watching a video on your S25 Ultra. Then pick up your A23 and open something with audio like YouTube, TikTok, or even a call. Your Galaxy Buds should switch audio to the A23 automatically. When you go back to the S25 Ultra and press play, the buds will switch again. Given to each function, this feature is great when you use the Samsung phone. Auto switch save you time because your buds automatically move between devices without reconnecting, repairing, or tapping anything. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.